You've been told your IT band is tight, and that if you just foam, roll it hard enough, the pain on the outside of your knee will go away. Almost everything in that sentence is wrong, and the anatomy proves it. If you run or cycle, you know the feeling. A sharp, burning pain on the outside of the knee that shows up at a predictable point in every run and refuses to leave. IT band syndrome is one of the most common causes of lateral knee pain in runners, and most of the advice for it is aimed at the wrong target. Here's what the IT band actually is. It's a thick strip of connective tissue running down the outside of your thigh, from the hip to just below the knee. But here's the part the Just Stretch It crowd misses. Along its length, the IT band is firmly anchored to your thigh bone by fibrous strands. In a 2006 study in the Journal of Anatomy, researchers showed that because of these attachments, the band cannot actually slide back and forth over the knee like a bowstring. That sensation of it flicking over the bone is an illusion created by the band changing tension as your knee bends, not by it physically rolling across the joint. So if it's not friction from the band rubbing over the bone, what is it? A landmark 2007 paper asked exactly that. Is IT band syndrome really a friction syndrome? And the answer was no. Underneath the band sits a layer of richly innervated fat and connective tissue. When the knee is loaded near 30 degrees of flexion, the band compresses that tissue against the bony bump on the outside of your knee. The pain is compression of an innervated tissue, not a tight rope soaring over bone, which means the entire idea of lengthening or releasing a band that is bolted to your femur simply doesn't hold up. So, what does work? Treat it as a load and mechanics problem, not a tightness problem. 1. Temporarily reduce the load that provokes it. Cut downhill running and cambered roads, and pull your weekly volume back while it settles. 2. Address the mechanics that drive that compression. Most people benefit from strengthening the hip and glute muscles that control the thigh, and from slightly increasing your cadence to reduce how far the knee collapses inward. 3. Load it progressively back up. Foam rolling can calm symptoms short-term, but it isn't lengthening the band, and it isn't the fix on its own. If this changed how you think about that outer knee pain, share it with someone who's still foam, rolling their IT band into oblivion. This is educational content, not a diagnosis. If your pain is severe or not improving, see a registered practitioner. Subscribe. Next week, why plantar fasciitis takes so long to heal.